Do you want to become the most productive and driven person in the room? I have just the app for you. Minimalist Phone is a screen time control app that goes beyond just blocking apps. It treats the problem from the roots. The goal of all social media apps is to get you addicted. The notification pings, the colorful icons, and the algorithms, all designed to make you scroll uncontrollably. By the time you leave the app, your brain is tired, unproductive, and has no motivation for anything else. But the Minimalist Phone app helps you break those habits and patterns so that you use your phone only as a tool. Just look at the interface, it is so simple and non-stimulating. It lets you put limit to app usage. And then you can also go and block and hide apps. And takes away all the things that drain your brain from all the energy that was yours before the apps took over. And so you can still keep all the useful apps. Try it for free.